In 2025, we returned to the ReMA exhibition, one of the largest platforms in the global recycling industry. This year, we arrived with a clear purpose: to bring not only our most advanced machinery, but also a renewed vision for a smarter, cleaner future. We showcased our latest machines and intelligent solutions. Every system and feature is designed to address the real-world challenges faced by recyclers today. Our team was on site, engaging in knowledge sharing and networking, from in-depth technical breakdowns to spontaneous discussions on process optimization. Among the attendees were first-time collaborators and long-time followers of our journey. Each conversation, smile, and question reminded us of our core mission. We weren't just displaying machines, we were sharing ideas, building trust, and co-imagining the future. Though the exhibition has concluded, our mission continues. New technologies, new challenges, and new partnerships keep calling us forward. We will keep advancing smart manufacturing, driven by innovation and committed to sustainability. We look forward to joining hands with more partners to keep driving the industry forward together.